What's up, traders? It's JPFX again, aka C Money. So I'm super excited to bring you to this brand new video again. So this video, I'm going to be showing you all the trades I've taken last week. So I was using a challenge account, a April challenge account. I was also using FTMO and I think account. So I'm still in the challenge account. I'm going to show you all the videos of what I've been doing, backtest everything for you so that you guys can, so that we can keep track record of everything that we've been doing. So guys, make sure you subscribe, follow, and let's move this account to like 10K or 1K. So guys, let me show you everything. So just stay tuned and also be patient and keep on becoming consistent in whatever you do. Alright, so it's not a small journey. This is not a small journey. It's a journey of consistency. Be consistent in it. Continue so that you reach where you want to be. So let's move on. So let me show you where I've been. Gold has been in an uptrend. So whenever uptrend is occurring, that is where I am. Alright. So now I have been using USD, JPY, all this currency pair, but now I've reduced it. I want to reduce that. I want to focus on one currency pair. If you notice in this time frame, in this one weekly time frame, this is the last thing that is happening here. Alright, gold is showing us like a reversal, but we don't know yet. But you can see a pin bar in this resistance level. This is the last price that this market could push to. So now it is here, but I think that it's still resuming its uptrend, or maybe it's downtrend, whatever. So now you can see these are all the things that have been happening in gold. These are places I've been taking profit. This has been my profit level. Let me zoom to the 1 hour time frame, because that is where I used to take profit and execute all my trades. These are where I've been taking all my profit and everything. This is it here. I have it here now. This here, this is my support zone 1, and this is another one here, right here, this level. I just deleted all the others and everything because I want to fresh start everything, because it may be reversing. So you can see it now, all these things. This is where I took some profit also. I took profit when this market was forming a double top at this level. Let me zoom to the 15-minute time frame. At this level, I think, where is it? So you can see this is where I took some profit when this market formed a double top here. You can see this is a clear confirmed double top. And one thing I love about gold is gold will respect level very much. If it's other currency pair, there will be a lot of shit, but gold respects it a lot. You can see now it's perfectly moving down. Now what we are expecting for this market to do for us now is nothing but for it to come to this resistance level here. If it comes to this resistance level, I'm selling. Alright, but we don't know yet. It may break out, but what we are doing, when it rejects this level, this is my entry point. This is my strategy. When it comes to this point, I'm selling. Alright, I should have bought here, but no, this market is reversing for me in the weekly time frame, but I've not known yet, because this is a reversal pattern. Even though it was not showing on a higher time frame, but this is a very big reversal pattern. If it's other currency pair, there will be a fluctuation, a lot of fluctuation, but you can see this double top shows a reversal. But what made me not to take a lot of profits here is because it is not showing the 1 hour, but still it is still showing. I think you can see this is all the reversal. So the market pushed to this level. Now it is it is where they are battling support and resistance. You can see perfectly how this market has been moving. So if market come to this level now, this is where my selling order will be. Alright, so that is it for now. This is the analysis. Gold, I love trading gold so much. This is my favorite pair for now. I don't know for others, but I also trade GBP USD, but gold is my favorite pair. So this is what has been happening in gold. A lot of people have been cashing out and been making a lot of profit in gold. Everybody just focus his mind because market is trending. Also GBP USD was also trending, but it has started reversing. Yes, So this is it, guys. Just focus, get the right knowledge, know the strategy. What motivates you, just keep doing it. What makes you to just keep doing what motivates you. Don't ever back up in anything, just keep doing it. All right, so this is it. What you are waiting now. So I'm going to show you my Telegram channel where I used to post all my trades and everything. So this is it, guys. So whenever you see me cashing out, gold is the one cashing out for me. All right, so now we're waiting for a touch in this place so we can. So let's check in the 4 hour time frame first. All right, so you can see it's respecting, because it is good for you to always put to do your top down analysis whenever you want to trade. Know what is happening in the bigger time frame before you go to the smaller time frame. All right, you can see this level have been respected a lot of times. All right, but one thing that we are expecting in gold is that this market can possibly, it can still move up. Why did I say it can still move up? If you check very well, you can see this level that you are seeing here. This level is not broken yet. This is a resistance level. At this level, you can see. Let me mark it for you guys. This level is the resistance level. If market come to this level, it can still buy, but we don't know yet. All right, I'm not 100% sure that this market is reversing, because gold can still gain its momentum and continue moving up. All right, if you check very well, you will notice what I'm saying. I hope you understand what I'm saying. If it comes to this level, because it only took the first high. Where is the high? This is the high. The high they have taken. They have taken this high first. This was a perfect entry for us, but if it takes more than 2 high, I think it is because this one is not that strong. This level is not strong high, but here, this is also our level of interest here. Market will come here. If market come to this level and break out and take out this level, that means that it is reversal already. But if it comes to this level and form a support, that means gold will continue its uptrend. So this is what we are checking out. All right, this is what we are looking at. As a trader, you should always be smart. It's not all about what you learn. You can also add to your knowledge what you think can happen, and just with risk management, I think you're okay. So my risk management strategy is that I don't use more than 20 pips stop loss. I don't use more than 20 pips stop loss. All right, that is my risk management. So you can also make that risk management for yourself. 20 pips stop loss. All right, that is it. You can also plan yourself, but when you want to make a bigger profit, so there is a thing that is said: cut your losses short and let your profit move higher. So for example, now that I'm using 20 pip stop loss, so when I found that a market is going well, I can decide to find a market condition. Let me take for example a market condition that will give me like 10 pip stop loss. Let's do an example. You can see, let's say I want to short this market. All right, so you can see that this is 20 pips stop loss, but let me move it to 10 pips or 15 pips. This is 10 pips stop loss, but it depends. Be careful, because volatility can move the market and it will take you out. All right, now what I have done here is that I have cut my losses short and let my profit run. All right, this is how you can also flip account. This is one of the secrets of flipping account, but you should always be careful. Not in every market condition you should be using smaller stop losses. Market can take you out and continue its trend. So this is my stop loss in everything I do, in every trade I take. This is my stop loss. 20 pips. That is it. So if for say I'm using like one lot size and I'm using 20 pips stop loss, so when I find a market that is more bigger, I can use 2 lot size and use 10 pips. I will still arrive in that my risk management and that amount. So let's make for example now that this is the amount I'm using. Let's say that the amount of my drawdown daily, it will not be more than $500. All right, should not be more than $500. This is my daily drawdown, $500. So now I want to, bigger my risk. I want to bigger my risk. All right. So 20 pip stop loss. If I use like three position, that will give me $500 this thing. So I can also find a bigger portion. Like if I'm using one lot size in 500, I also find a bigger. I don't know if you are getting where I'm heading. I can also find a bigger stop loss or a bigger position, but I'm still risking that same amount, that $500. All right. This is how you can also keep you when you are using bigger lot size. You should not go against your what do I say? You should not go against your risk management. You are still risking that amount, but what have you done? You have cut your losses short and let your profit run higher. I learned this strategy from my mentor, Habi Forex. So he's the one keeping me. So that is it. This is how I'm making profit. So guys, you can also test it. It is also good. So just get your own strategy. Sometimes market may come to this level. Don't be faked out. I know that sometimes I also have it. I'm not lying to you. Sometimes market will come to this level. All right. Let me mark it for you and see. It may come to this level here. You see now. Market may come to this level here and come. It will not touch the trend line and reverse back again. You see it? But some traders will be. There's what we call FOMO. What we call FOMO, fear of missing out. All right, fear of missing out. That is FOMO. That is what we call FOMO. All right, fear of missing out. When you come, as far as you get your own, even though markets come to this level and start reversing, just keep it in mind that you should always follow your strategy. We do have it. Even me, I do have it sometimes. It will come. But sometimes be careful because market may come here a little bit and come again and touch this, which give us a double top. You can see it, alright? So that is it. It has once happened to me in USD. So when it happened, I shot at this level. I shot at this level. But when market came back here, it was going. I was thinking I was in profit. It came back again. So I noticed that it formed a double top. I also entered with another position at this level, a bigger position, so that I can profit from it. And that was how I took my profit. So guys, this is it. Always stick to your strategy and your plans. It will be good. Alright? And also focus on one currency pair. I'll be doing more videos of how you can continue focusing on one currency pair. It will be so good for you, even though sometimes in 2 days, 3 days, you will not find that setup you're looking for, but just try to focus on it. This is not a small journey, it's a very long journey. So guys, let me show you my Telegram channel and show you all the records that we've been keeping in Telegram channel. Alright, just go to the link is in the YouTube. You can see it. Also my Telegram channel, I also have the link of my YouTube, my Telegram channel. You can see it. JPFX, Jerry Pips FX. So that is it. So you can see all the signals and all the trades you have been taking in this market. This is all it. So I have live. We also have a lot of it. This is it. This is all the trades we are taking. Alright. So just try to get involved. Get yourself into something that will be good for you in life, not something that will be not. So that is it. You can follow up for this Telegram channel, JPFX. I will share the link in YouTube. You can also follow it. So thanks guys. As you can see, this is the account. This is all the profit I've been making. This is a withdrawal. You can see the profit. So you can see this is all GBP USD trades. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I only made 2 losses on it, and also come to USD JPY. I used to take 3 currency pairs to trade, but it has become like too much for me, so I've reduced it to only gold. I only trade gold right now. You can see in USD JPY is a lot of loss. It's over like I think 3 losses or 4. I do 1, 2, 3. And only 1 profit. This one I closed them. You can see in gold, this is all the distance. So this account is 1,000 before. You can see I'm flipping it to 200 plus within just 1 week. I think 1 week. So it's good to follow your strategy and everything. But now I think I want to reduce everything. I'm now using only one